guys, I am Anjana Jain and today I am about to make a zebra cake that is also known as marble cake. So before starting we are about to have every precautions like as we know that COVID-19 have been spread everywhere, so we are sanitizing our hands before starting. So here's right my sanitizer and let me sanitize my hands. So I have sanitized my hands properly and here I am wearing apron so that my clothes don't get dirty. So let's start. So guys, we are about to start the recipe of cake. As for preparing a zebra cake, the ingredients are here. So let's start for ingredients. So here I am taking 1 cup maida and with the same measurement I am about to have sugar. I have made signs like M and S so that I can remember which is maida and which is sugar. So with the same cup, with the same measurement, we have taken both maida and sugar, and we have to remember that whenever we make any cake, so always the measurement is same. So I have taken with the same measurement 1/4 cup of curd, and ghee is also in the same measurement as of curd, that is 1/4 cup. So I have taken 1/4 cup dahi and ghee, and here I am also having with this vanilla essence, and I have half spoon of baking powder, and this is baking soda, and 1 spoon of this cocoa powder. So let's start with everything. So here I have taken this chutney. So now I am about to pour maida in it. So I have poured all maida in it, and above. So I have poured whole maida in it. तो मैं इसको अच्छे से छान लूंगी ताकि कोई lumps ना रह जाए. And because whenever we make any cake, there must be no lumps in it, so that cake is smooth and is tasty. So मैंने यहाँ पे मैदा छान लिया है properly, and you can see how smooth have it become. So now मैं अब इसमें चीनी जो sugar है हमारी वो छान लूंगी by the same procedure. मैं आधा आधा करके छानूंगी because there is no more space in this. So मैं इसको स्पून से मूव कर रही हूँ थोड़ा थोड़ा, and so I have poured whole sugar in it. जितनी भी थी मेरे पास, जितना भी मेजरमेंट था मैंने सारे इसमें डाल दिया है. और इसी के साथ अब मैं यहाँ पे डालने जा रही हूँ. Here is my baking soda, 1/4 spoon, and here is my baking powder. So I have mixed everything. So अब मैं इस पूरे को छान लूंगी ताकि सारा एक अच्छे से मिक्स हो जाए. And after that I will mix everything with dahi and ghee. So you can see यहाँ पर थोड़ा lumps रह गए हैं इसमें. So I will remove it aside it. So I have done the same, and now I am about to pour curd in this. So I have poured 1/4 cup of curd in this, as we can see, and now I have poured the ghee here with the same, so that we are making eggless cake. So it gives moisture in a cake like egg. So we don't need to pour any egg or anything in this. So it's really fit for a vegetarian. So now we are about to have vanilla essence. So I have taken here 2 to 3 drops, half spoon of vanilla essence. I am about to pour it in this, and now I am about to mix it well properly. So here I am mixing it. So I am adding here some water gradually as per need. So I am about to mix it well. So I have mixed it really very well, and you can see the nice consistency of this. So it have gone so smooth. So now I am about to divide this batter in 2 equal parts in these 2 bowls. So I have divided this batter in 2 equal parts for making zebra cake, and now I am about to add this cocoa powder in this one portion of this. So we have poured this chocolate powder in this, and we are about to mix it properly so that it becomes our chocolate cake for different flavors in just a single cake for a zebra cake. So I am been mixing here this properly. So I have properly mixed it well, and now you can see the consistency, how smooth is it. So this batter have become so smooth, and now I am about to pour into so I have greased this bowl properly with ghee, or you can also use oil. So now I am about to dust it from a normal flour available at every house. So I am dusting here from this maida. So I have dusted it properly, and the remaining flour is to be separated from this. So I am doing this, and all the flour, you can say maida, have been separated from here. So now I am about to pour the batter in this. So now I am about to pour this batter, white batter, as the first layer. So I have done this. So now I am about to pour this second layer on this. So yeah, we are done with this, and now we are again pouring the same batter that we used first. So that it will become a zebra cake, and here it is, and the next bit batter again. So here after this I am pouring again the same batter, white batter, on this so that it becomes fine. Now I have poured it, and now I am pouring the whole brown batter in this. Okay, so batter has been poured. So finally I am taking whole batter in this. So yeah, I'm done with this. Yeah. And finally, to decorate it, I am pouring this lastly. So yeah, we are done with this, and to make design we are using this toothpick for making designs. So from middle we are starting this like this and making design. And the designs are being made. So here the design have been made. I am about to give this design a proper view. So it have been designed. हाँ, तो हमने यहाँ पर एक कढ़ाई ली है. सो वी आर नॉट यूजिंग माइक्रोवेव हियर. तो हमने सबसे पहले यहाँ पर सॉल्ट लिया है. हमने इसको 5 मिनट प्री हीट कर लिया है. तो ये जो हमारा नमक है काफ़ी गर्म हो चुका है. तो अगर हम हाथ यहाँ से ऊपर से हिलाते हैं तो वी कैन ऑल्सो फील द फ्लेम. इट हैव बिकम हॉट, एंड नाउ वी आर अबाउट टू putting this here like a stand. So I have put this inside, and ये जो है I am putting this here too. So now I'm putting the cake batter in this. So I'm putting this on this so that the flame don't go outside. तो मैंने इसको अच्छे से पूरा कवर कर दिया है. So we have to bake it for 25 minutes at normal medium flame so that it bakes properly. So let's wait. Guys, here we have removed the cover, so you can see the cake have baked properly. So let's check it. So here I have a toothpick, so I am about to check. So here you can see nothing, so means it is baked properly. So let's take it out. So guys, here we have taken this cake out. So अभी हम इसको थोड़ी देर रखेंगे ताकि ये ठंडा हो जाए, और क्योंकि जब हम गरम निकालते हैं इस केक को तो ये टूटने का काफी डर रहता है. So here we are about to place it for some time, like 5 minutes. So guys, ये ठंडा हो चुका है. So we are about to take it out. तो हम टूथपिक से अच्छे से इसको निकाल लेते हैं. तो ये यहाँ से निकल गया है अच्छे से. So now हम इसको प्लेट में निकाल लेते हैं. So finally ये बाहर आ गया है, and now we are about to move it. इसको हमने उल्टा कर दिया है, and now we are about to cut it. So guys, let's see how spongy is it. ये बहुत ज़्यादा spongy केक बना है. So let's cut it out. So I have taken a knife. So we are about to cut this. So ये बहुत ज़्यादा spongy केक है. We can see how spongy is it, and it's really very tasty. It's looking really very tasty. So we are about to taste it. So guys, the cake was really very tasty, delicious, and really very spongy. So my whole family liked it really very much. Hope the recipe was nice. So as we know that COVID-19 have been spread everywhere. So be safe, stay safe, and stay at home. That's it. Good evening.